Late, but I guess still better than nothing, right? Oh, he's gonna see it, huh? Oh, okay. I was about to say, don't tell me he's gonna see Mirio die. All right. Oh. Get them both out of there, bro. Just get them both out of there right now, bro. Bro, he was more than... Bro, Mez was the definition of amazing, bro. Now you're just a basic bitch. Imagine he kills him. Oh my god. Okay. And knowing the fucking bitch ass simp, he would be, yeah, please. Knowing Mirio though, he would have done it 1,000 times over, bro, if that's what it took, bro. Okay. Deku's actually being smart. He's using other shit instead of directly touching him. Nah, you're forgetting one thing. He's got a brain as well. Oh. I swear to God, if he pulls it off, bro. Or that's what he's seeing currently, maybe. Maybe he can change it. Wait. Wait. Either he dies or Deku dies, right? 20%. Okay. I thought his whole arm was about to dip, bro. If he's not knocked out after this one, bro, you're fucked. Fuck. And that's what he saw. Oh no, 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 no. Damn, bro. No, she's gonna go back. Damn, bro, this motherfucker really is a fucking villain, bro. Oh my god, bro. I genuinely fucking hate this dude, bro. What, he's gonna change it. He's gonna change it. This is gonna be the time where he proves him wrong, bro. Like, it was like, bitch, I'm the main character, not you, pussy. Imagine she sees all this and she uses her quirk or something for our advantage. I just said it. One day her husband reached for the child and his whole body what? Yo, what? Wait. I could be just talking on my ass, or I'm 1,000 IQ. Her power is fucking rewinding time. She rewinds time. Okay. Is he about to do 100% or something? Ooh, that's the tight ass shot with the red cape. Where? The fuck? God damn. Good luck landing that shit, bro. Like, all fun and jokes and shit aside, I'm mad fucking happy, bro. I love this shit, especially that OSC playing in the background. But fuck around, bro. I'm not sure if I want to hold a female who fucking made her dash go full, and then the same with the mice and everything, bro. Like, I don't know if I want to be holding her, bro. Like, while she's using her quirk, bro. Oh my god, that shit is so nasty, bro. Like, in a good way. Like, that's just that nice, bro. Huh? Don't tell me. Is it because exactly when he used his power, right? We saw her horn glow, and that means we know that she's using her powers. Did she rewind him back to before he used the 100%, which is why he's not hurt? Oh, that yo, I fucks with Deku right now. I fucks with Deku right now. Ooh, that shit don't even look like it's out of My Hero Academia, bro. That shit don't look like My Hero Academia, bro. That's just so fucking tight. And that's also tight. He's like, all right, so if she's gonna keep reviving me, I'll just keep hurting myself faster than she can revive me. That means she'll always... I fucks with this show, bro. That means Deku now should be able to go 100% out every second, bro, without getting hurt. God damn. Imagine you're just like chilling outside, bro, and you just see this shit like, hey, yo, what the fuck? I'm sorry for pausing so much. Just remembered, she can rewind what's his name? All Might back to fucking normal before he got hurt. And then All Might would have his quirk back because he got rewinded. And technically that would mean that Deku has his quirk, while at the same time All Might would have his quirk. No? Okay, never mind. Oh, bro, that shit clicked in my head and I was like, hold the fuck up. Am I onto something? Rewinds to restore the quirks. That means Mirio's quirk could be restored. Hello? Hey, yo. God damn. Oh my. Okay. Oh, that's a tight-eye shot. That's a tight-eye shot. Go the fuck back. Oh, his eyes glowing white and shit. Oh, hell nah, bro. My man's deadass tossed him. Okay, I did not... They didn't show that in the last episode, right? They just showed him falling and shit. God damn. I swear to God, if he wakes up from that, I would say just hit him a couple more times just to be on the sure side. Oh. He has to keep damaging himself, right? Damn. And to this day, I guess in a way, he's still hung up on that. God. Oh. Wait a fucking minute. Oh, she knocked him out. Okay. No, she'll stop it, bro. She'll stop it, bro. Oh, Eraserhead is gonna stop it. That's so tight. I almost forgot about Eraserhead, bro. Damn. Like I'm happy, all the good things, you know, it's tight. But what about my man Mirio, bro? No, he still has it in him, bro. Somebody, actually, you can't even pull it out, huh? Because it'll just make him bleed more. Because it can change, bro. Yep. That means maybe all my... If this motherfucker wakes up, bro, can't he just touch the things that's confining him and just like, boom? Oh, no. Don't tell me they're gonna rescue him. I'm actually really curious to see him again, you know what I mean? I fucked with him since day one. So what's his plan? To save him or to try and get rid of him? Oh, hey, yo. God damn, bro. That has made me fucking feel bad for a guy who I hate, bro. Like, I feel bad for this man, bro. Imagine going through all this shit just to lose it. He came up on that shit, chat. No. Oh. Are you serious? Damn, bro. Oh, and Muriel. Oh no.
生きてください。死ぬなんてダメだ。ミリオ、お前は
Please tell me he gets his quirk back.
大丈夫。お前は誰より立派な生き方をしてる。
Oh. And he died smiling, bro. Neel, I never see you. That was what are you fucking talking about, bro? We don't cry over here. We're no fucking bitches, bro. Yeah, I just had some onions in my eyes. Yes, yes, of course, yes, onions.